Is Bitcoin going to become a reserve currency in the United States? And Grayscale creates a new AI fund with these assets inside. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, altcoinbuzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. The crypto market has been taken by storm with rumors that Donald Trump might declare Bitcoin a strategic reserve. Dennis Porter, CEO of Satoshi Action Fund, sparked the speculation in a recent X post, claiming his sources are credible. Notably, if the former US president follows through, it could shift global economic strategies, reinforcing Bitcoin's status as digital gold. Donald Trump is rumored to announce Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset at a crypto conference in Nashville later this month. Meanwhile, Porter stated that adding Bitcoin as a strategic reserve is a logical move for the US Treasury. He believes this could shift the global economic paradigm, urging other nations to secure their own Bitcoin positions. A flurry of market experts also agree that such a designation would present a significant shift in the US financial strategy. They've cited that Bitcoin's decentralized nature would further bolster global acceptance to enhance economic resilience and stability. Additionally, Trump has previously voiced strong support for Bitcoin, emphasizing its geopolitical importance, and he warned that policies against Bitcoin would benefit adversaries like China and Russia. Grayscale Investments created and launched a decentralized artificial intelligence fund, the Grayscale Decentralized AI Fund, LLC. The fund features top altcoins and focuses on three primary categories of decentralized AI assets. Grayscale's announcement highlights decentralized AI as one of the promising opportunities for its customers. The fund, limited to eligible accredited investors, will provide access to the performance of AI protocols in the cryptocurrency industry. They said the blockchain-based AI protocols embody the principles of decentralization, accessibility, and transparency. The Grayscale team feels strongly that these protocols can help mitigate the fundamental risks emerging alongside proliferation of AI technology. At inception, only 5 top-weighted tokens were included in the fund. It's based on their general functions and purposes within AI technology development and deployment. The fund includes BitTensor's Tau, which are protocols building decentralized AI services such as chatbots and image generation services. Filecoin and LivePeer, which are protocols building solutions to centralized AI-related problems, and these include authenticity checks against bots, deepfakes, and misinformation, as well as Near Protocol and Render, which are infrastructure and resources critical to AI technology development. This includes decentralized marketplaces for data storage, GPU computation, 3D rendering, and streaming services. Filecoin and Render prices soared 7% on the news, while LPT and Tau climbed 13% and 11% respectively. The recent DEX volume on Solana surged to a record high, surpassing even Ethereum, the largest blockchain by total value locked. Both blockchains' native tokens, Ether and Sol, saw price increases over the past week as well. As noted by Solanian's Hub on X, Solana's DEX volume led all major blockchains over the last 7 days. This surge is particularly noteworthy during the ongoing market recovery, as Solana captured a majority of DEX activity. Jupiter, a Solana-based DEX aggregator, may have contributed to the volume spike. Jupiter recently lowered fees on its perpetual products in response to community feedback. The base fees were reduced from 0.07% to 0.06%. Furthermore, the potential approval of Solana and Ether ETFs could further boost their prices. Spot ETH ETFs are expected to be approved on July 23rd, while Solana ETFs are predicted for 2025. Approval by the SEC could potentially trigger a broader altcoin rally. Solana has had over $18 million bridged to it in the last 24 hours from other chains. And Solana recently announced that Jumbo Technology added support for Solana with Tether to their mobile phone. Users in over 120 countries can now access crypto micropayment rails, alternative banking options, and learn and earn opportunities at scale. And now you can also buy, sell, and trade Solana on CoinEx. CoinEx is one of the best exchanges you haven't heard of. Like Gate.io or Mexi, they offer a lot of coins. More importantly, they offer the high-quality coins you want. CoinEx also has a great new offer out there for new users. Sign up today, complete the 4 tasks, and earn up to $100 USDT added to your account. Check out CoinEx with the link down below. MNT, the native token of Mantle Network, the Layer 2 technology stack for scaling Ethereum, has experienced a price surge of 12% in the last 24 hours, now trading at 85 cents. Formerly known as BitDAO, Mantle is an ecosystem investment DAO with close ties to Bybit. The Mantle token MNT is used for governance, gas fees on the Mantle Network, and staking on various platforms. The Mantle Network utilizes an optimistic rollup to scale Ethereum and aims for EVM compatibility. Operating on the Ethereum network, Mantle offers a seamless, secure, and scalable platform for dApp developers to launch their projects. This has made Mantle an attractive protocol for supporting GameFi applications, prompting the creation of an in-house Web3 gaming team. The recent price surge in MNT coincides with an increase in daily active and new addresses involved in M&T transactions. On-chain data from Into the Block indicates a 19% rise in the number of active addresses completing at least one M&T transaction over the past week. Additionally, the number of new addresses created to trade M&T has increased by 15% during the same period. The spike in M&T's price has also garnered attention from large holders or whales, and those are addresses holding over 0.1% of an asset circulating supply. According to Into the Block, M&T's large holders' net flow has surged by 134% over the past 7 days, highlighting substantial accumulation by these investors. Crypto market whales have taken action to accumulate nearly 139 million XRP from exchanges against the backdrop of a price pullback yesterday, July 18th. On-chain data indicates that a series of accumulation transactions occurred over the past day, igniting optimism over the coin's future price movements. Despite the crypto's recent slip below the resistance level of 60 cents, the accumulations have injected optimism among market participants. Ripple's XRP has also overtaken Bitcoin as the most traded cryptocurrency on major South Korean exchanges, a surprising development that highlights the altcoin's growing popularity in the region. This surge in trading activity comes amid a broader resurgence in XRP's price, fueled by optimism surrounding its ongoing legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Zivoe, a real-world asset credit protocol, has raised $8.35 million in a funding round featuring investors such as Andrew Keys, Iceberg Capital, and Concave. The funding is in place as Zivoe prepares to launch its credit protocol, which uses blockchain to make credit more accessible by connecting on-chain liquidity with real-world borrowers. The launch is set for July 31st. Zivoe said it will initially issue on-chain loans to a strategic regulated lending partner to provide consumers with better interest rates. In the long term, the protocol plans to engage directly with consumers, bridging the gap between on-chain finance and traditional financial systems. The tokenization of real-world assets is becoming one of the most promising use cases of crypto. The process involves bridging tangible assets from the physical world onto the blockchain. For its part, tokenizing securitized loans simplifies the process, cuts administrative costs, and opens up investment opportunities to a broader range of investors. Meanwhile, the launch will coincide with Zivoe's initial tranche offering, or ITO, a liquidity bootstrapping mechanism designed to attract initial total value lock. Liquidity providers can deposit stablecoins into Zivoe senior or junior tranches and receive tranche tokens in return. These tokens offer risk-stratified exposure to Zivoe's loan portfolio, secured by a special purpose vehicle backed by cash flows from consumer loans. Participants can also stake these tokens to earn yields from real-world consumer loans. Zivoe's ITO participants will be eligible to receive the platform's native governance and utility token, ZVE, which will later be airdropped as a reward for their participation in Zivoe's governance framework. The ITO is scheduled to begin on July 31st and will run for 30 days.